Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Quarter.
What does the dictionary say?
One of the four equal or equivalent parts into which anything is or may be divided.
Math rap.
Written as one 4 or 0.25 as one of four equal parts, it does thrive like 4/4 of a dollar for equal parts or for same size slices of a sweet apple tart.
Math rap.
Joke. If I had a quarter for every math mistake I made, I'd have 47 cents. Fact. A quarter of the world makes up 25% of the world. Explain a quarter in your own words. What things in real life are already divided into quarters? What objects can you divide into quarters? How many quarters are needed to make up $5?
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!